Sometimes people have failures in metal and plastic materials with their applications because the temperature is too high, the wear is too extreme, the chemicals are too great. There could be a number of reasons why those materials would fail, and ceramics would succeed.
They have a part that they have to swap out on a very regular basis, so we're able to replace it with a part that's going to wear a lot better, and their downtime is reduced exponentially.
And most ceramics are at least 3 times harder than steel.
So basically there are 4 reasons that you would use ceramic components: wear resistance, high temperature,
Or you need electrical insulation, chemical resistance.
We do help with product design as well as applications engineering. So we understand the attributes and the pitfalls of using ceramics.
Generally, the engineers have a good idea that they need ceramics. They don't obviously know what ceramics they need, and that's why we're here. If they have a print, we work with them on trying to say, if you do it a little bit differently here, you can reduce the cost. If they have a problem, we're here to solve those things as well.
And we can help them custom design components as well as custom pick materials that are best suited for what they're doing.
Probably the smartest thing that an engineering group can do is get us involved early in the process, because
it gives us an opportunity to work together and build a relationship, not only for the component, but for components down the road.
Many times we have customers reach out to us and they need ceramic components and they only have a ceramic component with no prints.
That they have been using, and we do reverse engineer quite a few components.
So what we're able to do is say, send us your part, we'll reverse engineer it for you, we'll send you a print to sign off on, and we'll make a few prototypes so that you can try it out and see if it works in your equipment the way the previous parts have worked.
We're willing to take those more difficult challenges and go to the end use of the part, engineering and designing with the customer.
And if there's a way to improve this component, we are open to that idea as well. We'll supply you with some thoughts that we have, as well as listen to how you want this part to work better for you. We're not worried about 1-piece, 3-piece, 5-piece orders. We're here to help you with material selection, design ideas, and a manufacturable component in the end. We want to get your project off the ground. Ceramics, sometimes your last resort, but the best solution.